Momos. Tibetan steamed dumplings. A main dish from Nepal. Serves 2. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Mix flour in the water. Knead and form into a ball. Step 2. Let rise covered with a wet towel or plastic wrap for 30 minutes. Step 3. Bring a large pot of water to the boil. Step 4. Cut dough into 12 to 18 pieces and roll into small flat circles. Step 5. Mash together all filling ingredients. Step 6. Place a spoonful of filling on each dough circle, folding over and crimping to seal. Step 7. Place momos in a steamer and steam on high for 30 minutes. Step 8. Serve with a mild tomato salsa, Tsal / made from chopped tomatoes, cilantro, green onions and garlic, and/or sriracha sauce and/or soy sauce. Recipe from Jigme Topgil, CountryReports, a Tibetan culture in his native Tibet travel. These would be made with a flour